Hello in another beautiful day that we will cook together. In my today's video I will show you how to make a cake with Fanta. That is a traditional Bulgarian very famous cake. It's a favorite one in my family. As you know, cooking on internet and cooking at home, that is something totally different, because as you can recall, when you watch YouTube, cooking YouTube channels, there are, let's say, the ladies that present some recipes. They are dressed like they are going to the gala, with hair and with dress and clothing. Everything is super chic. In the real life, we don't cook like that. We absolutely don't cook that. And in the real life, we don't use 20 small plates. We just use as less as possible. So let's start. First, we need 4 eggs. We need to crack the 4 eggs. The thing is that I have a standing mixer, but since I have my first KitchenAid kitchen robot, I retired my standing mixer, and the only mixing thing I use now, that is my Ninja, and it's very easy to use it. Now the recipe calls for 4 eggs. That is 1 cup of sugar, and that is 1 1/4 cup of sugar, because in my family they don't like if it's too sweet, so I reduce the sugar amount. And follow the recipe. 1/2 cup of oil. I use this measuring cup, that is 1/4, so I will put 2 of them. 1, 2. 1 cup of Fanta. Still using only that, although I have a dishwasher. Why to use many utensils? 1 or 2 are enough. That is 1/4, so I will put 4, 3, 4. Okay. 1 packet baking powder, that's 15 grams. Everything together is perfect. And 2 vanilla sugar. And the recipe calls for 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That is 1. I will bake the cake in the air fryer, because since I have the air fryer, I use it literally on daily basis. That is 2 cups of flour, and later I will add half more. The reason to do that with the flour is to put some air in the flour to be more airy. That is another half. The flour is good. Put everything together in the Ninja. And mix everything in the Ninja. And while the dough is mixing, I will set on my air fryer to warm up. After roughly 1.5 minute blending, the dough is ready. Before I used to use silicone cake molds, but with the time I was very frustrated that the cake is not well baked perfectly. So somewhere across the internet I came with the idea to use aluminum foil, and I used it that like 2 or 3 times, and I was very pleasantly surprised how well is baked everything. So now I use aluminum boxes, and here I will pour half of the dough, and the other half will be in another aluminum box. Now we will change the settings. 50 minutes, 50 minutes, 160 degrees. Okay. Just for the records, cooking at home, I will show you what I have left to wash. This bowl, this measuring spoon, this, and the body of the Ninja. The spatula as well, and this brush. This one versus the 20 utensils you can see in the cooking channels makes lots of difference. Almost there, just few more seconds, and our first batch of the Fanta cake will be baked. When you bake cake, remember, no matter what happens, never open the door of the oven. When you think that the time is good, take a toothpick, insert, and if it's dry, that means that your cake is well baked. Later take it out of the basket and let it cool down for as long it takes, and later you can dust it with powdered sugar or eat it like that. Just enjoy, just enjoy.